Teachers, what if I told you that your video lessons could instantly become audio lessons your students can replay and listen to anytime, anywhere? Whether they're walking, commuting, or just tired of staring at screens, this one trick can make your lessons way more accessible. Let me show you this right away, and then I'll show you how you can record better online lessons as well, while using easy but effective explanation tools. We're gonna use the UniConverter for these tasks, so be sure to get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Next, open the UniConverter and click on the converter tool right up here. Import your video lesson or lessons. You may convert multiple lessons simultaneously. Then, down here, choose an output format for all of your important media. We'll need an audio format that is accessible on any devices, so we're gonna choose MP3. So I'm going to switch over to the audio formats up here, and then I'll choose MP3, and then I'll go with the highest audio quality. Finally, I select an output folder and start the process by clicking on Convert All. The converter tool will turn your video lessons into audio lessons that you can send to your students. Alright, now let's see how to create the video lessons. So whether you have prepared a slideshow or a presentation, or you'd like to work on a clean canvas, the very first thing you'll need is a screen recording software. On the Mac, you can easily use the built-in QuickTime screen recorder, but you won't have explanation tools like you would with the UniConverter's screen recorder. So first, find the screen recorder in the UniConverter within the video section. Now, here you have several options. A recent update is the application recorder that allows you to record the content of only one application. This is great when you'd like to work across multiple windows, but you only need to record the content of one application. However, in this mode, you don't have access to drawing tools that we'll need for explanatory purposes. So choose the screen recording feature. In the next window, you can choose the recording area manually, or from presets. I recommend you choose full screen. Then here, you can turn on a connected web camera, which can either be an external one or the built-in one. Now this feature is so that you could record yourself while you're recording your screen, and the two things will be layered on top of each other without having to edit. Clearly, this is entirely up to you, but a face will for sure bring the lesson closer to the students than just a voice. Then you can choose your microphone and audio recorder and set the volume for both as well. In the advanced settings, you'll find options regarding quality, frame rate, shortcut options, etc. I won't bother those right now, but you may go through them and see if there are settings that you need. And now just simply begin screen recording. And here come the extra features. Up here you'll see your toolbar where you can start and stop the video, take screenshots, you can hide the whole thing as well, and open the drawing tools. Now, as you can see, you have literally drawing tools. You can draw shapes, you can write all in different colors, you can erase what you drew and start over. So you can explain your subject just like on chalkboards or on digital boards at a school. You can explain maths, equations, physics, chemistry, business with these tools, making your video lessons more engaging. And don't forget, in the meantime, you're recording yourself directly onto the screen recording, so after you're done, you don't even need to edit the video, unless you messed up something and it needs to be cut. And obviously, when you're done with your lesson, you can just click on stop, and your video recording will be saved. All in all, with these two tips I shared with you today, you can boost your online teaching game, making your lessons more accessible and maybe even enjoyable for your students. So, was it helpful? If so, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.